7 science-based benefits of matcha tea. Matcha tea has gained much popularity lately. It comes from the Camellia sinensis plant. Farmers cover the tea plant from 20 to 30 days before harvest, which increases the chlorophyll production and the amino acid content. It has more caffeine and antioxidants than green tea, which comes from the same plant. Let's dig deeper into its various science-based health benefits. Number 1. Packed with antioxidants. Matcha tea leaves are high in catechins that are natural antioxidants. Antioxidants can help prevent cell damage and lower the risk of many chronic diseases. Number 2. May protect your liver. Some studies have shown that matcha might prevent liver damage and decrease the risk of liver disease. However, more studies are needed to be done in humans to prove these effects. Number 3. It can boost brain function. According to research, some components found in matcha can help enhance brain functions like attention, memory, and reaction time. In older people, consuming 2 grams of green tea powder every day for 2 months helps in improving their brain functions. Are you finding this video valuable so far? Then consider hitting the like button, as it really helps the growth of our channel. Number 4. Promote heart health. Studies have shown that consuming matcha may decrease many heart disease risk factors. In addition, adding matcha to healthy diet and lifestyle may protect you against various diseases and keep your heart healthy. Number 5. Losing weight. Many weight loss supplements contain matcha. However, most of the studies showing that matcha is linked to weight loss were done on green tea extract, but since both come from the same plant, they should have similar effects. Matcha tea may increase metabolism and fat burning, resulting in weight loss. Number 6. Reduce stress. Japanese monks use matcha to help them meditate, as it promotes a sense of peaceful focus. Matcha also has a high concentration of amino acid L-theanine. Many love to drink matcha tea because of its calming effect. Number 7. Healthy skin and teeth. Because of its antibacterial properties, matcha helps in cleaning the gums and teeth. Also, it prevents the growth of bacteria that causes gingivitis and tooth cavities. Drinking matcha green tea will help you maintain naturally glowing skin, as it protects the skin from free radicals associated with damaged cells and aging. Matcha is a more potent source of nutrients than traditional green tea because its whole leaves are ingested. Although matcha has many health benefits, it should be consumed moderately, as too much of it might have negative effects on the body. It can easily be added to your diet, as it is very easy to prepare and incorporate into various diets. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share the video if you found it valuable.